Well, hello there. There's a reason I'm making this video fresh out of the shower with my hair still damp. Well, aren't I a playful one? It's true. So what's the tightest area of your body when it comes to flexibility, stretching stuff out? For a lot of people, it's going to be the posterior aspect of their legs, like the hamstrings. For a lot of other people, as they get older anyway and they're not working out and things start to atrophy, it's going to be a very tight chest, a very tight back. But for most people, by and large, it's going to be the back of the legs. That's the tightest. Hi, Jackie. Nice to see you. So whatever area that is that you want to make some gains in your flexibility. Hi, Sue. Here is the one thing you should be doing after every time you take a nice warm or hot shower. And that is stretch out that particular area right after a shower. This is something that almost nobody ever thinks about. It's not even that it's underestimated, it's just nobody literally thinks about it. Your body is already warm and you didn't even have to work hard to warm it up. The shower warmed it up. The water and whatever you were doing in the shower or the bath or whatever, the sauna, any experience like a bath, shower, or sauna, when you're done, go stretch out. And if you can safely while you're in the shower or the bath or the sauna, if you want to, stretch out there. Just take the weakest parts of your flexibility, wherever that is in your body, and take advantage of that. It's like if you're going to stretch out a cold body, like let's say you work out first thing in the morning, the body is cold, you just slept. Typically you got to do some calisthenics first, some jumping jacks, running in place, just simple stuff like that. And then you get the body warm and then you stretch. But with this, it's like you don't even have to do any of that stuff. And you're going to bathe anyway, right? I hope so. You're going to take a shower or bathe anyway. So take advantage of that and start stretching out and increase those areas of mobility and flexibility when your body is already warm. Take advantage of that. It's just such a beautiful opportunity to do that. And I need to take my own advice. I used to, and then I forgot about it. And I'm just remembering about it right now after the shower. And so, yeah, I stretched out. Usually it's the back end of my legs. You know, my hamstrings, the whole posterior aspect of my legs is usually the tightest. So I'll stretch that out with various stretches. And that's always it's when you can make the biggest gains in your flexibility, especially those really tight areas. Does that make sense, everyone? Hi, Carla. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Sarah, Gail, Aaron, Riva, Sue, Jackie again. Very nice to see everybody. So does that make sense? Is that simple? Is that cool? Have you ever heard anybody mention that before? I didn't think so. And yes, you're damn right, that's cool. I don't remember when I first learned about that, but when I did first learn about it, it was one of those moments where I slapped myself in the forehead like, of course, why didn't I think of that? Some of these things we can go our whole life without thinking of, even though it's so basic, but we still need somebody else to relay that message to us, and it's like, oh yeah, that makes sense, why didn't I think of that? I should do that too. And this is one of those. So I hope you had that light bulb moment and a slap yourself in the forehead moment, because it's pretty self-amusing when we do that. So that's all I got for you in this video. Keep it very simple, mono-focused. If you dig this, my website is tomberkenmeyer.com. Jennifer, you're the coolest. You're the coolest. Takes one to know one. Just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. I've got tons of videos on various fitness tips and health tips and healthy meals, recipes, and all sorts of stuff. So go check that out. And if you like adding health and wellness to other people's lives, and you want to make residual money doing that, then private message me. I'll show you what I've been doing for over 10 years, and you can see if it would be the right fit for you, and if it is, well, do it, and it will be awesome. I said no for 3.5 months until I said yes over 10 years ago. And thanks again, Jennifer, for the compliment. I appreciate it. Hi, Linda. Hello, Tom, Jennifer. Hi, cool. Another Linda, cool. 2 Lindas in here. And Linda's saying hi to other people other than me. That's pretty awesome. I like it when you guys engage with each other and not just with me. Why not? It's a group thing, even though I'm the only one on camera. So if you guys don't have any questions or anything you want me to talk about regarding the topic of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and tap finish, and then this thing will be history, it'll be archived, it will be an historic event at that point. But there is a little bit of a delay on these videos I'm aware of, so I'll wait a few seconds until I end it. Anything? Anything at all? Cool. Jennifer says hi back to Linda. Jennifer and a party a lot. Okay. Hi, Vicky. Well, I'm just ending this video now. But you know what, guys? Whether you just popped on and you missed it, or you're watching this after it's an historic fact, you can still comment. I'll come back, I'll see it, and I can still interact with you. So no worries. Very nice to see you, Vicky, and everyone else. Thank you. Mwah. Feel free to share this if you got some friends who would like this one very overlooked little tip to make some huge gains in your flexibility in the tightest area on your body. I bet you got some friends that would enjoy this video. So feel free to share it. And take care. Bye for now. Mwah.